We'll guide you through how to upload and post a landscape video on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram. And so you want to go and upload and post a landscape video on Reels. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure this is full guide and don't go and skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So if you come onto Instagram, we're just on the homepage right now, we can go to the top left and go and press the plus. You can then go down to the bottom and select Reel. You could go and then select one from your camera roll. So I've got mine here I recorded, so I'll select it and go and press next. Now, as you can see at the moment, it goes and uploads it just like this. You've got the black bars at the top. You may have tried to press edit video and you haven't got any other options really for going and adjusting it as a landscape video. So we're going to guide you through what you can go and do. So to go and get started, we are going to be using a different app for this. So I'm just going to press start again here. You need to go and get an app called CapCut. So CapCut is a video editor. You can open up your App Store or Google Play Store, search for CapCut and go and get it. I already have it. Go and open it up and press new video, and you can then go and select the video and you can press add in the bottom right. So for the first way of how you can go and adjust this is so what you can then do is make sure you have anything selected and scroll along at the bottom and find the option for aspect ratio. Then you want to go and select 9:16 like this. So what you can then do is go and tap on the video and you can just go and pinch on it to resize it. And you can just go and fully fill it up. But of course you are going to lose the sides. But that could be one way of doing it. You can just go and fully pinch it. We go and zoom that back out. Another alternative you can do if you press back in the bottom left is you can go and select background at the bottom and you can go and press blur and choose a blur. And that could be another way. So you can just go and have it blurred. Alternatively, what you could do is you can go and tap on it and you could go and rotate it 90 degrees. And then pinch on it to go and fill it. And then you could have it this way. So after you go and choose how you want it to go and be, what you can then do is you can go and press export in the top right. When you're happy with it, press export in the top right. Wait for it to go and export. Of course, you can make other edits. Then you can come back to Instagram and you can go and select it. Then you can go and press next and you can go and post it. Of course, you can use the other editing tools and that is it.